What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula and how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of cobalt nitrate. So as you know, the symbol for cobalt is CO and nitrate is NO3. That's the polyatomic ion NO3, and the charge is -1. And the charge of cobalt, as you see here, is written here. It can have different charges, but this one, because it's 2 here, that has to be 2 plus. So it's going to be CONO3, and since this one is 1, we have 1 here, and since this one is 2, we can put it in bracket 2. So it's going to be CONO3 2. And now let's find out the molar mass. For finding molar mass, we need to find out what elements we have and how many atoms each element has. So we have cobalt, we have 1 of them. We have nitrogen 2, and we have oxygen 2 times 3, 6. So I need to find out the atomic mass of cobalt, which is 58.933. Nitrogen is 14.007 times 2, and oxygen is 15.999 times 6. So this number shows the number of elements we have: cobalt 1, nitrogen 2, oxygen 6. 58.933, 14.007 is 28.014, 15.999 is multiplied by 6 is 95.994, and then we need to add them up, so it's going to be 58.933, 28.0914, so it's going to be 182.941 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of cobalt nitrate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.